In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use n8n AI to modify your workflow. To begin, open any workflow in n8n where you want to bring AI into the process. You can choose a draft you're experimenting with or a workflow that's already in production. The key is that the editor is open so the AI has something to work with. Now, look to the right-hand side of the screen. That's the AI panel. This panel is your workspace for giving natural language instructions, so keep it visible while you work. If your screen is small, you might need to resize the editor a bit so the panel isn't hidden. Scroll down within the right panel until you find the section titled Modify Your Workflow. This is the area designed specifically for making changes to the workflow you already have in front of you. Right under that title, you'll see a short description. Ask n8n AI to modify existing nodes or add new ones. This is a handy reminder that you don't have to manually wire every change. You can describe what you want, and n8n AI will do the heavy lifting, whether that's tweaking a node, inserting a new one, or connecting pieces together. At the bottom of this panel, you'll find an input box with the placeholder text. What would you like to modify or add? Click into that field and type your instructions just like you would in ChatGPT. For instance, you can say, add a webhook trigger, connect this to Google Sheets, or fix error in MySQL node. The clearer you are, the better the results. If your workflow has multiple similar nodes, mention the node's name or a brief description so the AI knows exactly which one to change. Before you submit, take a quick look at your available AI credits. You'll see something like 2020 monthly credits left. Each AI request uses 1 credit, and your credits reset monthly. If you're running low, consider batching related edits into a single, well-structured instruction to make the most of each request. When you're ready, submit your instruction. n8n AI will automatically update your workflow based on what you typed. Watch for the changes as they appear: new nodes, updated parameters, or fresh connections. If something isn't quite right, refine your instruction and try again. Small clarifications usually help the AI land exactly where you need it. And once you're happy, remember to save your workflow so your changes aren't lost. That's all there is to it. With the AI panel, you can iterate faster, reduce manual setup, and keep your workflows clean and consistent.